Sewage and Infrastructure Development Corporation of Goa Limited. What is the sewage treatment position in Goa, sir, currently as compared to the rest of the country?
Goa is a beautiful state and a tiny state. However, comparing with the nation, Goa is having less coverage in the sewerage system. That is what we say 13% compared to neighboring states, Maharashtra and Karnataka. They are having 40 and 38% respectively. So Goa state is developed in all other infrastructure facilities like road connectivity, health conditions, per capita income, and other things are much better than in India. But we are lagging in only two subjects. One is sewerage and the solid waste management.
So, what are the, see, Goa is mainly a tourist state, and what are the special environmental laws that you have, if you have any laws or something for the sustainability of this Goa tourism industry? Because of the urbanization, there's a lot of pressure on the cities. So, have you put up any laws for the sewage treatment or solid waste management treatment?
Those are the normal laws existing as per the government of India. So now we are trying to impose some of the strict rules and regulations. So we are in the working process.
What are the latest projects that have been undertaken by the board to improve the quality and quality of sewage treatment?
The government of Goa has understood the need of sewerage system, and accordingly this corporation is reactivated in 2008 and 9, and government of Goa has entrusted the job to take up the sewerage schemes, all the municipal towns. There are 14 municipal towns in the state of Goa. So we are concentrating, as well as coastal belts, touristic importance beaches, that is called as a coastal belt. And in addition to that, World Heritage Center is situated at Old Goa, St. Francisco Xavier Church. So in that area is also to be covered under the sewerage system in due course of time.
So, any project that comes to your mind which would be of some international standard that would be implemented in the near future?
See, as a Goa is a small state, we are the first state to introduce the latest technology of treatment, sewage treatment, that is called as a SBR technology, sequential batch reactor. As a trademark, it is called as a CTEC technology, which was implemented by the state of Goa. And that time even we have the objection from the other corners, other government organization and other corners. But we overcome. Today it is approved by the Government of India, Ministry of Urban Development, and they have recommended this technology to adapt to all states. And we are the first state to adapt that latest technology in 2001, that is 2001. Subsequently, today also we have adapted the HDD technology, trenchless technology, to lay the sewer lines. That is already in Madgaon city. We have completed more than 30 kilometer network under the trenchless technology. So that is also, in my view, we are first in India to introduce the trenchless technology. Otherwise, it is commonly adopted in America and other states.
I must really congratulate you, trenchless. Is it how long is the total length of?
It is started in 2009-10 only. So we are almost completed 30 kilometers. So almost in future projects we are adapting that technology, and we are happy in that nearly 50% sewer network is commissioned with the house connections. So the sewage flow is perfectly all right.
And what about the maintenance of these sewers and all? How do you think of this 24/7 service to the citizen?
See, basically maintenance of existing sewers is labor intensive as on today, but we are trying to mechanize. We are going to do with the help of JICA expert team. In state of Goa, JICA team is there. So they are under their guidance, we are going to mechanize the system.
Is all these schemes are under some PPP, BOT, or how is it?
No, it's all state government.
All state government. So you only have contractors who are working basically,
Yeah,
and which are some of the major consultants or contractors that you are using?
We have here Unity consultant is there from Pune, Envision from Surat, Sri consultants from New Delhi, and many more are there.
Are you working with some NGOs?
Yeah,
to get
local
proper
NGOs
message?
are, we are on regular basis we are conducting the meetings, stakeholders meeting and all. We are coordinating with the NGOs and with their help we are marching forward.
Do you think it's enough in the JNN URN 2? Now, there's a JNN URN 2. So is there enough in the JNN URN 2 to take us forward on this sewage and
JNNRM, basically Goa is not benefited with the JNNRM. Absolutely, we are the one of the state which is not drawn any money. from
you have
the
not drawn the money? That's it.
Yeah.
There is a scheme.
There is a scheme, but in the Goa scenario, the parameters should be relaxed because as per the national level parameters and compared to the Goa state, those is not matching with the state of Goa. So only my request is that they have to relax with reference to the state of Goa. As a special status, they have to consider the Goa state and help in forwarding, march forwarding.
Thank you very much, sir.